Hello, welcome to everybody. All the students are welcome to our English channel, Grammar Tips. Today we have discussed about the 10th English Grammar, Chapter 1, Tense Revisited. Now, children, we learnt about this tense and time in the ninth class. We realized that time is a continuous flow measured in seconds, minutes, hours, day and years. On the other hand, tense is a grammatical concept specific to a particular language. The tense system in English is not similar to that of any other language such as Odia and English. In English, there are only two tenses in verb, present tense and past tense. With the help of these two tenses, we express the three phases of time such as past tense, present tense and future tense. So, at times we have difficulty in expressing ourselves using the proper tense form of the verb. There are sometimes we confuse between time and tense. Time and tense are like two sides of a coin, because in the absence of one, other is meaningless. English grammar is nothing without the existence and a discussion on time and tense relation. Tense is a verb form which shows present, past in which action is take place. There are two tenses in English, present tense and past tense. Remember, English verbs has no future tense form because there is no special form for future tense. Present tense, it refers to the action that is going on at the present time. There are four forms of present tense in English: present simple, present progressive, present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. We give an example. We take an example of each. Present simple, the sun rises in the east. Present progressive, he is writing a letter now. Present perfect, she has cooked food. Present perfect progressive, we have been waiting here since 6 o'clock. Similarly, past tense. Past tense refers to the action that was completed in the past time. There are four tense forms in English. They are past simple, past progressive, past perfect, past perfect progressive. Past simple, the example is I visited Konark yesterday. Past progressive, my mother was making cakes. Past perfect, I had heard that it was a good film. Past perfect progressive, I had been waiting there since 2 p.m. These are the discussion about tense. But what is time? Time is a concept which we express in terms of a year, month, week, day, hour, minute, seconds. So, we came to know that tense, there are two types of tense in English, but there are three types of time in English: present time, past time and future time. Ways of expressing present time. Out of 8 parts of tense, 2 parts expressed in present time: present time, present simple and present progressive. Present simple is used for habitual action, laws of nature, general truth, scientific fact, present or permanent fact, etc. We give an example of each. Now today we discuss about the use of a present simple tense in English. There are so many usages in English in the present tense. The present tense is used in so many places. First, we take the rules of one by one. First is universal truth. Present simple tense is used for universal truth. That means it is the general truth or universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. The earth moves around the sun. These are the general truth. We also use present simple in scientific fact. For example, water boils at 10 degrees Celsius. We use present simple for habitual action, such as I go to school every day. He gets up at 8 a.m. We use present simple with so many adverbs, such as always, very often, usually, never, sometimes, daily, frequently, regularly, etc. For example, my father never takes fish. Here, never is a adverb we use in present simple. Fifth, we use present simple for repeated and regular action. What is repeated? It rains every afternoon. It is a repeated action. Raining is a repeated action. Rain takes present simple tense. We also use present simple for newspaper headlines. Whenever we read newspapers, all the headlines takes the present simple. The ruling parties take on the oath on Sunday. We also use present simple for running commentaries. When we watch cricket on the TV, we also listen the running commentaries. All the running commentaries takes the present simple tense. Tendulkar bowls the ball. Here bowls takes present simple. What is actually happened in the field? It is expressed with the help of a present simple as commentaries. We also use present simple fixed arrangement or scheduled events or timetables. For example, the train leaves at 6 a.m. We have English exam on Monday. Here leaves and halves take the present simple. It is a arranged action. It is action happened for the scheduled time according to the timetable. We also use present simple for present or permanent states, such as the flower looks fresh. My uncle lives in New Delhi. We also use present simple in the exclamatory sentence begins with here and there. Here comes the bus. There goes the bus. These are the uses of our present simple. We also use present simple in conditional sentence. When we use when, unless, until, even if, in case, before, as soon as, after, if, at the beginning of the sentence, we use present simple. For example, if it rains, I shall not go to school. I will call you when the dinner is ready. We also use present simple with special verbs which are not used in a continuous tense. These special verbs are see, hear, smell, like, love, hate, want, need, prefer, etc. I love her. I am loving her. It is wrong. It is not acceptable in English. We also use present simple in special cases such as I promise, I apologize, I suggest, I advise, I agree, I refer. This is all about the
लाइक और
use of
सब्सक्राइब
present
करने के
simple
लिए मत
tense
भूलना।
in English. Thank you.